I made it to the door. I don't know why it's spinning. Boom! It's like, I like this thing. It makes me walk. It helps me walk. Uh-oh. Hey, Wyatt, can you turn that thing around? Turn it around. Okay, good. Dude, I know you can push it. Let me see it. Bubba, want to walk again? Look at him, Wyatt. He's going to go again. Yay! Look out, Wyatt. You're going to get ran over. You're getting better, huh? Say yay, Bubba! Wyatt. Yay! Can you clap, Wyatt? Clap. Tell him yay! Say good job. Can you tell Bubba good job? You gotta turn it around. Careful, baby. Hi. Is that your car? What's the car go? What's the car say? Car? What's the car say? Vroom. What? Careful, dude. You're supposed to get behind it. He's confused. You really want to do it again, don't you? You get up there again? You little turd. You're a turd. Smarty pants. Is he silly? Say silly, bub. Can you give Bubba kisses? Give him a kiss. Aw, so sweet. Hey, Elijah. Where's your shoes? Elijah, can you get Bubba's shoes? Where's your shoes, Elijah? Elijah. Hey, your shoes are right in here. Here's your shoes. Where are you going? Where are you going, baby? Look, what's this? Those your shoes? Shoes? Elijah, hi Wyatt. Listen, Hey, Elijah. Elijah, shoes. Shh, listen. Shoes. Shh. The Bubba say shoes. You shh. Elijah. Shoes. Shoes. Hey, thank you. Elijah. Shoes. Shoes. Say shoes. Elijah, can you say shoes? Say shoes. Elijah. Shoes. Say hello. Hello. Hi. Shoes. Well, your brother did say shoes earlier, sorta. Shoes? Shoes. Phone. Wyatt, come here. Alright, well, I guess he's gonna go walking. Where are you going? Can we walk this way? You walk that way? Look at you stand up by yourself. You don't need me or that thing. Yeah, I know you know how to say shoes. How about Elijah's shoes? Love you, baby. You want your phone, don't you? Here you go. It's on. Hello? Who is it? Oh, is it Daddy? Hello? Is it Daddy? Hello! You're so cute. You want to say hello to Daddy on my phone? You gonna call Nana? Say Nana? I know you know how to say Nana. Go put your shoes up. Can you put Bubba's shoes up too? Elijah, you gonna call Nana? Or are you gonna call Dada? Go put it by the door. Hello. Hello. Shoe? Shoes. Phone. Hello. Hello. Ow. Where's my foot? Wyatt. Come here.